Hello, darlings. Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crowned Tree. This is going to be your root chakra reading for the week. It's just a little mini 2-card reading for you. Our first card out is for the root chakra itself, and it is no doubt I will eventually achieve success because I don't allow myself to doubt. So that's your affirmation for the week. Now, to go along for this card, I always pull 1 or 2 more cards from the earth chakras and the higher realms chakras to nurture and help evolve our mundane chakras. So this week from the Earth Heart Chakra, we are taking a card from the Mother Mary Oracle. And we have Our Lady of Sacred Union. Sometimes choices need to be made between this way or that. Sometimes this is healthy and essential for our growth. Yet there are other times when a choice of inclusion, choosing both this way and that, is the way through which we can best grow. A choice of inclusion allows us to learn how to bring apparently opposing forces together into harmony within us and in our world. This might be showing up a completely internal issue for you. Perhaps you are dealing with conflicting desires for a family and love relationship, and to feel safe and secure internally in that community. But at the same time, you are longing for independence and freedom to explore and express yourself and your creativity in the world. Perhaps that inner struggle of coming together is far more subtle and difficult to pin down. A sense that you want to live your life lightly and with joy, but also that you really want to know and be who you are, to not hide yourself from yourself or anyone else, even if that means expressing anger or sadness or fear. You might be trying to find a way to be both the mother and the lover, or the father and the friend. You might be trying to find a way to be the healer and the vulnerable too, who needs healing, love, and support, despite all your strength. This might be an issue that is reflected in your physical world. Perhaps you are trying to decide on relationship issues, such as whether to proceed into a marriage, or are wondering how to build a better relationship with yourself. Perhaps you are trying to bring your head and heart together so that your life feels aligned and moving in the one direction, rather than feeling pulled apart by competing demands on your time and energy. Our Lady of Sacred Union shows up when we are working on finding a way through opposition and disharmony and into integration and functional behavior. Conflict can be an essential aspect for growth, like friction that creates sparks and fuels the fires of transformation. Our challenges can fire us up and give us the impetus we need to take action and be bold. Or sometimes they can wear us down and lead us into emotional fatigue and depression, particularly if we feel that the challenge has been continuing on for too long, without respite or relief. No matter whether we are on fire with a passion for finding a solution, or drained and exhausted and needing the tender, nourishing grace of heaven to inspire us with the solution that we have not as yet been able to find, Our Lady is here to help. She asks you not to worry about one choice or another, but to make space in your heart for a third option, another perspective, another way to be with this issue. She says that there is always another way to be, no matter how set in stone your situation or issue may appear to be. There is always another way, another perspective, another path through the issue into resolution. Allow her to bless you with her guiding hand now as she shows you the other way through into harmony. Thanks for joining me today for this little message. I hope that it has blessed you, and I'm sending you all my love. Take care, dear ones.